Write 1 plus 1 equals 2. Draw triangle. Draw 2 lines. Connect a line. Draw 4 slanting lines. Draw 2 lines. Draw circle. Connect the lines. Draw oval. Draw 2 slanting lines. Draw 2 short lines. Connect the line. Draw 3 ovals. Let's color the house. Follow for more. Draw triangle. Draw 2 lines. Draw a line. Write U. Draw 2 lines. Write L. Write backward L. Draw 6 short lines. Draw dashed lines. Draw curves. Draw 2 lines. Write D. Write U. Draw a line. Write V. Draw 3 lines. Draw rectangles. Let's color the castle. Follow for more.